Hey everyone! I'm just making a quick video to tell you about a couple of amazing things that are happening. First of all, today, this came in the mail. It's the new issue of Make magazine for June and July. And, oh my gosh, selfie bots in it. It's basically another version of the guide that I wrote for Adafruit. And it's so beautiful. They really did a lovely job laying it out for the magazine. And it's just so amazing to be in Make magazine. Like, all I can say is dreams come true. What's also awesome is, like, selfie bot's in it. I'm in it right there. Kim's in it. And Mitty's in it. So even Mitty got to be in Make magazine. Yay! I love to sneak my cat into all of my work, so that worked out perfectly. Speaking of dreams coming true, weekend after this weekend is Maker Faire Bay Area, and I'm gonna be there. Kim and I will be there speaking about SelfieBot on Sunday afternoon at the electronics stage, so definitely come and see us. Actually, there's so many cool people talking on the electronics stage that day, actually, like the whole time, so you might want to just camp out there all weekend. It's kind of amazing. We'll be there both days. We'll be walking around probably with our crazy headsets on. Come and say hi. We'll have stickers to give away, and yeah, we're just like super looking forward to seeing everybody and seeing everyone's crazy builds and projects and talking to people. So yeah, definitely come and see us next weekend. Also, I just want to make more videos and upload more frequently into this channel, so please leave me a comment and let me know what you're interested in seeing. I would really like to do more build videos, some Q&A if you're interested in that. I'd love to let you know about my favorite tools, the tools I don't like, and I'd love to do some interviews with people. So if you have ideas too, let me know. I'd really love to hear from you what you're interested in seeing on this channel. Yeah, so that's all I have for now, and I'll see you soon. Bye!